Hi friends, this is Praveen. Hope you are doing good. In this video, I want to share some interesting thing which I seen recently in Zerodha. This is with respect to technicals. People who are aware of technicals will listen more often these words called hammer, shooting star, harami, engulfing, etc. which are the basics of technicals. So in this video, I am showing these patterns on Zerodha charts. This video is purely for people who knows are having basic knowledge on technicals but who are not able to apply this knowledge on charts. Before starting our video, for basic understanding of these technicals, I suggest to go through Zerodha Versity. I will show you how to go to Zerodha Versity. Just click on Zerodha Versity on Google, and this is provided by Zerodha with a free of cost. So till now I have found this is the best learning tool for the beginners. So here you can see technicals, introduction to stock markets, chart types, fundamental analysis, option theory, option studies, everything you will find. But now we request technical analysis. Just click on this technical analysis, and here comes various subtopics of technical analysis where you can start from beginning, background, introduction to technical analysis, each and everything you will find. So this is a chapter wise where you can download the PDF. If you come down, you can download the PDF. In this PDF you will come to know whole technical analysis in a single PDF. So like this you can develop your knowledge on technicals. So I will share the link in description too for a better purpose. So let's get into our video. So this is about basic application of technical knowledge using Zerodha platform. So this is the Zerodha platform, and here if you click on this star called Bharti Airtel, this is a chart sign. If you click on this, the chart will appear. Fine, the network is slow. Yeah, I will maximize this. Yeah, yeah, this is what I am mentioning about technical indicators on Zerodha site. Here you can see harami and engulfing, spinning top, etc. So in order to know about these, what is spinning top, what is engulfing, what is harami, I said as to refer this technical analysis PDF in Zerodha Versity. So this is how the PDF looks like. If you keep on starting this reading, really good platform to read technicals, not only technicals, to gain our knowledge on stock market. Zerodha Versity is the best learning app or tool what we find. So let me tell you a basic thing, like as we hear about hammer, etc. If you see here, hammer, as we know, it forms on downtrend. So here you can see, I will maximize this. So this is called hammer. So hammer is nothing but it falls in downtrend, and after that it shows the bullish sign. Hammer is nothing but a bullish symbol. So here you can see like this the hammer looks like. So this is a hammer, and frequently listen words are shooting star, like where the shooting star, like this is what exactly is. You have a knowledge on these hammer, spinning, etc., but you can't able to find on charts. So here how Zerodha helps, like, so this is a spinning top, and July, I find one shooting star on July month. July, where is July? Come. Yeah, July, August. I think next last year. So like these, you can spinning top, harami, and yeah, yeah. See, you can see here the shooting star. Shooting star is nothing but a bearish sign. It forms in a uptrend. Hammer will forms in a downtrend, and shooting star forms in a uptrend. It is a inverted symbol of hammer. So this shows us a bearish sign. So this is how the basic application of technicals. But now I will say how to find this chart in technicals. First you should go to, I will clear each and everything. So this is a basic chart how it looks like in Zerodha. Now in this, if you go to studies, and if you click on candlestick pattern, so this comes automatically, these charts will come. So if you have any basic idea on candlesticks what exactly is, you can try these by applying your knowledge. So this is how we can enrich our knowledge in technicals. As I said, just first go through these PDF and study these technicals and use this weekend effectively, and then you go and refer these technical indicators so that it can help for you. So that's it, friends. Thanks for watching. Drop your feedback and queries in comment section. Please stay safe. Do like, share and subscribe.